Welcome. Today in front of me iPhone 14 Pro, and I'll show you the Face ID unlock test on this device. So just now I set up my face recognition here to the Face ID, and now we'll check how fast this feature is and does it work. So now we can see that the Face ID is activated, and just let's try. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, when I just press the power key, it's unlocked just in a half of a second, maybe just less. So the Face ID feature works here so fast. We can unlock the device. I suggest you to try this unlock method. You can also add here the Face ID with mask feature. So let's open it. I'll just enter my passcode for the device so we can use our Face ID for iPhone unlock, iTunes, wallets, passwords, autofill, or also you can use the Face ID with a mask if you will use it, and just you can try to unlock your device with a mask after that. So if you want to remove it, just you should click here to reset the Face ID so it works just fast and correct on my device. So just try it, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.